The confirmation hearing for Supreme Court nominee Elena Kagan begins Monday. Correspondent Shannon Bream reports while Kagan has never served as a judge, she has plenty of high court experience.
Supreme Court nominee Elena Kagan will be no newcomer to the halls at 1 First Street Northeast in Washington if she's confirmed to the High Court later this summer. Her first stint there was as a clerk to Justice Thurgood Marshall, a man she called her hero. And that gives some great pause.
Marshall said that, quote, "You do what you think is right and let the law catch up," close quote.
Kagan herself has written, quote, "In Justice Marshall's view, constitutional interpretation demanded one thing from the courts, a special solicitude for the despised and disadvantaged. It remains a thing of glory." Marshall praising quotes like that one are sure to ignite questions for Kagan about empathy and special treatment for specific groups, rather than a strict adherence to the law. There are hints in Kagan's work for Marshall of how she felt about the issues he was considering.
In one case, she said someone was arguing that the D.C. gun laws infringed on their individual right to bear arms. She said, "I'm not sympathetic."
Kagan also authored a memo for Marshall related to Bowen v. Kendrick, in which the Supreme Court authorized federal funds for religious groups working to prevent teen pregnancy, something Kagan appeared to oppose. She wrote, quote, "It would be difficult for any religious organization to participate in such projects without injecting some kind of religious teaching." When nominated to become Solicitor General, Kagan distanced herself from some of those earlier writings.
I was a 27-year-old pipsqueak, and I was working for an 80-year-old giant in the law, and a person who, let us be frank, had very strong jurisprudential and legal views.
When you were writing those memos or opinions, you really are keeping foremost in mind that you're writing for, in Justice Marshall's case, an audience of one.
The American Bar Association awarded Kagan its top rating today, well qualified. That comes on the same day the only progressive group known to oppose Kagan, the Secular Coalition for America, went public with its fight to keep her off the Supreme Court bench. Brett.
Shannon, thank you.